Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list. We are going to learn not only the creation of simple drop-down list but also a dynamic or dependent drop-down list. So with that note, let's create a simple and dependent drop-down list based on the sample data available. We have a sample data where you have states related to two different countries, USA and India. In USA, we have listed 4 states and in India, we have listed 5 states. So what we want to do now is we want to create a drop-down list for country, and depending on our country selection, we want our drop-down list to change in state column. For example, if I select country as USA, then my state drop-down list should give me these 4 options: Dallas, New York, Arizona and Ohio. So let us start creating a drop-down list. Select a cell where you want to create a drop-down list. Go to data, click data validation, and in the settings section under the allow drop-down, select list. Keep this 2 as it is and go to source and select your country. Right now I am selecting US and India. You can see this range is locked already with the dollar symbol. Click OK. Here you go with simple drop down list. If I select this small drop down symbol, I get USA and India in the drop down list. Now let's select USA and keep it for the time being. Now what we want to do is we want to create a dynamic drop down list. And here what I want to say is the states of USA. So to do that, we have to do a small change in our data table. If you see the address of this, Dallas, it says E2, New York E3, so on and so forth, right? So we will change this address into a common name, that is USA for all this and India for all this, right? How do we do that? Select the states, come here and change it to USA because these are the states related to USA, right? Press enter and select Delhi till Sikkim. Come here again, change it to India. Press enter. Now if you see the drop down here, you can see India and USA, and if I select USA, so the states under USA are getting selected. So with that, let's jump into cell B2 and try incorporating the drop down list. Select cell B2, repeat the steps again. Go to data validation, select list, and here if you remember previously what did we do? We just selected a range of countries. So now instead of this, what we do, we will use a formula to get the list of states. What formula we are using now is indirect formula is equal to indirect open bracket. What I am doing now is I am just referencing this A2 cell. Just freeze column A, click OK. So what indirect formula actually does is whenever there is USA in cell A2, it gives me this list. Let us cross check. Yes, it is giving me 4 states names that is there for USA. Let me cross check by selecting India and if it is working. Right, select India, go ahead and search drop down. Yes, it is giving us the Indian state's name. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned how to create drop down list in the simplest way. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, put your thoughts in the comment box, share the videos and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning.